Goodbye, summer. Goodbye, love.
Do a cartwheel.
Cartwheel! Can't even stand up straight. No, wait. I don't think I can do it. I could do a tree pose though. Yeah, he was sitting here. And he put his water bottle here. Oh, hi! Look at that! I'm in butterfly land! There's so many of them. And they're all pretty. They're not like gross tags. You see? Free at a mommy. Beautiful.
What's y'all doing?
It's not that hard, is it? It's not that hard. I feel like crying. Hi. We're almost there. You can see the campsite.
I don't know if you can see it on video, but
Yeah, but after 5 hours and almost 30 minutes, we're here. I'm crying. I'm smiling in tears. Hey.
okay, man.
I'm afraid I'm not gonna come back. I hope that is wet, but it feels awesome. My shoulders are hurting. My legs are hurting. You know what? If we go all the way that way, we can go back to our campsite and
boy.
see Cinnamon the bear.
Say hi to Cinnamon.
Say hi to Cinnamon, the Oreo hunter.
Alright, let's finish this up.
Go get a cold drink. Go home. Woo! Oh, thank you. Bye, Lake. Bye. Happy birthday. Be kidding. Love you. Alright, ready to go?
Goodbye, summer. Thank you. Goodbye.